In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort a single column in a spreadsheet, which can help you organize your data more efficiently and make your information easier to analyze. Let's dive in and take it step by step, ensuring you have a thorough understanding of how to do this effectively. First, you'll want to begin by selecting the column that you want to sort. This simply means clicking on the lettered header at the top of your spreadsheet column. It will highlight the entire column, making it easier to proceed with the sorting process without affecting the other columns. Once you've selected the column, your next move is to navigate to the Data menu. You'll find this menu as a tab at the top of your spreadsheet interface, usually among other familiar options like File, Edit, and View. It acts as a doorway to various data manipulation options, one of which is sorting. After accessing the Data menu, you'll be presented with a couple of sorting choices. The first option is Sort Sheet A to Z, which organizes your data in an ascending order. This means your data will be arranged from the smallest to the largest, or in the case of text, alphabetically from A to Z. The second option you have is Sort Sheet Z to A, which conversely sorts your data in descending order. This option will take your values from the largest to the smallest, or alphabetically from Z to A. Now, it's crucial to pause here and consider an important note. When you use the option labeled Sort Sheet, be aware that it will rearrange the entire sheet based on the selected column. This means if your data is interconnected across columns, every row will be adjusted in accordance with your sorting choice. However, if your goal is just to sort a particular range in a single column without affecting the rest of your data, you'll want to choose the option Sort Range instead. This ensures that only the rows or columns you've selected are sorted, leaving the remaining data in your spreadsheet untouched. Understanding the difference between Sort Sheet and Sort Range is pivotal. It allows you to maintain the structural integrity of your data while still enabling effective organization. Choosing the right option depending on the nature of your information can help prevent any accidental data misalignment and make sure your data analysis process is smooth and efficient. And there you have it, a simple yet thorough guide to sorting a single column in your spreadsheet. Remember these steps the next time you find yourself needing to organize your data. Feel free to replay this segment if you need a refresher, and you'll be mastering spreadsheet sorting in no time. Thank you for joining today's session, and happy organizing!